When it comes to home improvement projects that deliver both comfort and financial return, window replacement stands out as one of the smartest investments homeowners in League City can make. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your home's appearance and efficiency, upgrading your windows can significantly boost property value, curb appeal, and overall livability. Enhancing curb appeal and first impressions in a thriving real estate market like League City's, where competition is strong and aesthetics matter, curb appeal can make or break a home's first impression. Old, faded, or cracked windows can make even the most well-maintained homes look dated. By contrast, new windows with modern frames and sleek finishes instantly freshen a property's exterior. Buyers often form opinions about a home within seconds of seeing it, and sparkling, energy-efficient windows communicate care, quality, and attention to detail. Whether you opt for vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad windows, today's options come in a variety of colors and styles that can complement any architectural design, from traditional brick homes to contemporary coastal builds common in League City neighborhoods. Boosting energy efficiency and lowering utility costs. The Texas heat is relentless, and homes in League City must contend with high humidity and long summers. Older windows often allow air leaks and poor insulation, forcing air conditioners to work overtime. Modern energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce the strain on HVAC systems. This energy efficiency doesn't just enhance comfort, it also saves money. According to industry data, energy-efficient windows can lower utility bills by up to 20%. Prospective buyers recognize these savings and often prioritize homes that already have upgraded windows. In short, energy-efficient windows add tangible value by improving a property's overall performance. Increasing home value and marketability. Window replacement is one of the few renovations that offers a solid return on investment, ROI. In many cases, homeowners can recoup 65 to 75% of the cost when selling, depending on the window material and installation quality. Beyond numbers, new windows can make your home stand out in League City's competitive real estate listings. Realtors frequently highlight recent upgrades in their marketing descriptions, and new energy-efficient windows is a powerful selling point that signals both style and practicality. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for homes that require fewer post-purchase improvements. Improving comfort and noise reduction. League City residents value peace and quiet, especially in areas near busy streets or coastal zones with strong winds. Modern replacement windows often feature superior soundproofing, reducing outside noise and creating a more serene living environment. Additionally, better insulation keeps indoor spaces more comfortable year-round, minimizing hotspots during summer and drafts in winter. Comfort is an often overlooked factor in perceived home value. When buyers step into a quiet, temperature-stable home, they feel an immediate sense of quality, something that directly influences purchasing decisions. Enhancing safety and security. New windows also play a role in home safety. Many replacement models feature advanced locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass, and reinforced frames designed to withstand Texas's unpredictable weather patterns. This extra level of protection can be particularly valuable in coastal areas prone to high winds or occasional tropical storms. For families, improved security adds peace of mind, another emotional factor that makes a home more desirable and valuable. Reducing maintenance and upkeep. Older windows can be difficult to clean and maintain, especially those with wood frames that require regular painting or sealing. Modern window designs often feature easy tilt sashes and low-maintenance materials that resist rot, corrosion, and fading. For homeowners who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach, this convenience is a major selling advantage. Less maintenance not only saves time but also contributes to a home's long-term durability, something buyers appreciate when evaluating total ownership costs. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic investment in your home's future. For League City homeowners, New windows deliver a rare combination of beauty, energy efficiency, safety, and financial return. Whether you're enhancing your forever home or preparing to sell, professional window replacement is one of the most effective ways to elevate your property's value and appeal.